Okay, I'm pretty high right now, but I'm actually still able to work thanks to this platform ladder. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you will probably know that my workshop isn't huge, and so I need lots of storage for all those materials, and I've got more over that side actually, so I've had to go up quite a bit. Luckily I've got these a very tall ceiling, and I can do that, but that of course means that I've got to be able to access this material both easily and safely. More than 50% of all the serious injuries that occur in British Columbia, Canada each year are falls from ladders. And of those falls, the vast majority are falls from heights between 6 and 10 feet, which is exactly where I'm at the moment. Where I'm standing, my feet are roughly 6 feet from the ground, and not only is it the vast number of injuries that occur are falls from this height, but it's also the number of deaths from falls off ladders occur at this height. So really important, to stay safe. That's where this ladder comes in. It really is a game changer when it comes to either working off the ladder or, just in my case here, accessing materials. So for me, being able to lift these pretty heavy pieces of lumber off the racks and, get them down to start working, I can't do that off a regular step ladder, and I certainly can't do it off an extension ladder where it would be in my way. This platform ladder is awesome. They call it an 8-foot platform ladder, but essentially I am at the top rung, if you like, or top step of a 6-foot step ladder. And of course, a 6-foot step ladder, technically you're not supposed to be past the third step from the very top, so that you have got somewhere to lean against. My feet are 6 feet, roughly 6 feet off the ground, which, with my 6-foot step ladder, I couldn't obviously do that. I'd be roughly 2 feet lower than that, and I wouldn't be able to reach a lot of this stuff. I'm going to say this is probably about 13 feet off the ground. So a really good use of space. And I've got to be a little bit strategic with, what materials I put where, obviously, because, the heavy materials I don't want to be putting up there and just, overreaching. Most of the time, falls are preventable. They're from, people like me overreaching or, just doing something not really very safe off a ladder. Ideally, you want a ladder where, I can reach pretty much from here up to the top safely off this platform. The ones further down, then I'm going to be accessing it from one of the lower steps, or I'm going to use the 6-foot step ladder to do that. So this platform ladder is 15.5 inches by 22 inches. Then right at my thighs, top of my thighs, just below my hips, I have this rail that comes around, which allows me to lean into this and really get some good purchase, if you like, and brace myself against that. By doing that, I can really get a good solid stance, nice position against this top rail, and then lift. This is a bit of white pine, and lift it off. But not only that, I have enough stability then to lean over that front rail and stand that bit of timber up so that I can get at, then come down and grab that down and start using that material. Now the same applies when I'm lifting this material up. Got to be a little careful, obviously. but it's just so much more stable, so much easier and safer to do this off this ladder. Keep in mind that you don't want to exceed the load rating of the ladder that you're using. I bought this ladder when I first moved into this workshop, and I'm so happy with it, so glad I did, and like it so much that I ended up buying a 2-step platform ladder, that and a 3-step platform ladder. Super lightweight aluminum ladders, and they are awesome. They're brilliant for all my installation work. Typically, if I'm putting upper cabinets in or whatever, the 2 or the 3-step ladder, those ladders again serve exactly the same purpose, and being able to lean against that rail gives you so much more stability, so that you can actually work with 2 hands and hold a cabinet up and screw it in, or whatever the case is, whatever you're doing. But compared to a regular step ladder, they are absolutely game changing. So if you're in the market for a new ladder, or you find yourself working off ladders a lot, whether that be installing upper cabinets or painting or doing whatever, look at the platform ladders. This particular ladder and the other smaller ones that I have were no more expensive than a regular step ladder. So for the 8-foot platform ladder, I didn't actually pay any more than what I would have for the 8-foot step ladder. So stay safe out there, whether that be in the workshop or just around the home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.